guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is sunny day. Ang init sa labas guys. Okay, so today I wanna show you something else. Meron akong ipapakita sa inyo guys. But before that, I want to ask, what is dried bird's nest, or nakakita na ba kayo ng bird's nest guys? So marahil ang unang papasok sa isipan nyo ay pugad ng ibon, but this is not the one I'm referring to, because today I want to show you how to cook bird's nest soup. But before that, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang dried bird's nest. So, eto siya guys, yung dried bird's nest. So, this nests are actually made out of bird saliva. Yes, you heard it right, bird saliva. Ayan siya guys, which has dried and hardened. Ayan, dry siya na matigas. So, when you're eating a bowl of bird's nest soup, you're having a bowl of spit. Come on guys, it's not as disgusting as it sounds. So, there are different grades of bird's nest. Meron siyang red, wala kaming yellow, and then white. So, the red bird's nest is known in Chinese as blood red bird's nest, and this one is the rarest at napakamahal nito guys, ang tinatawag na bird's nest. Actually, very common ang bird's nest dito sa Hong Kong, pero magugulat talaga kayo sa presyo nito guys, dahil hindi siya basta-basta. I remember watching a video, if I'm not mistaken, sa KMJS yata yun, na feature kung paano nila kinukuha ang bird's nest. So, bird's nest soup is also a delicacy in the Philippines. Yung doon sa napanood ko, doon sa province of Palawan, but most Filipinos don't eat it. It's mainly a dish they prepare for tourists. Before I will show you how to prepare bird's nest soup, let's talk about the benefits of bird's nest first. So, the bird's nest, or the saliva of the swallow bird, is well known for its tonic and herbal properties. So, as you can see guys, ito yung texture ng bird's nest. Matigas siya. Ayan siya guys. A closer look. Nakikita nyo ba? Ayan. So, bird's nest is good for children to supplement their nutrition and development. In other words, it's good for the brain. Dahil ito ay full in nutrients from calcium, iron, potassium, sodium, amino acids, and many more na pwede mong makuha dito sa tinatawag na bird's nest. So, it has essential nutrients that a child needs for his or her development. Dahil rich in calcium, it helps the children to build their bones and muscles. At hindi lang sa mga bata guys, maganda rin sa mga kababaihan. Ano naman ang ikakaganda ng bird's nest sa mga kababaihan? So, number one is complexion. Sabi nga, true beauty lies in your confidence. Di nga ba? When you look good, you feel good. Agree ba kayo dyan? Of course. Sino ba naman ang tao na gustong lalabas, hindi pa nakapag-supply, mga ganun? So, tayo, pagkagising natin sa umaga, lalo na sa mga babae, the first thing you are going to do is to look yourself at the mirror, isn't it? So, katulad nga ng sabi ko, true beauty lies in your confidence. Kasi doon tayo nagkakaroon ng confidence kapag meron tayong magandang complexion, magandang look, mga ganon. And then, ano pa yung benefits ng bird's nest, anti-aging ability. Some women eat bird's nest regularly 3 to 4 times a week. Can look younger than their age. Imagine that, 3 to 4 times a week kakain ng bird's nest because of the minerals and vitamins na nandito sa tinatawag na bird's nest. And even for pregnant women and breastfeeding moms, it helps them to relieve stress, anxiety, and tiredness. Nakakaano nga naman, nakaka-stress nga naman. Mag-alaga ng bata, mga ganon. At hindi lamang sa mga kababaihan guys, it's good for men too. With bird's nest diet, they can expect to get bright and soft skin. Syempre, kapag lagi silang kumakain ng bird's nest, magkakaroon sila ng magandang skin, lalo silang gagwapo. And it's good also for elderly. Weak immunity is one of the main concerns with aging. So health is wealth. Minerals, proteins, amino acid that found in bird's nest protects the body from falling sick. So those who want to lead a healthy and happy life, may bird's nest na tayong pwedeng kainin. Ayan guys, so tara na, mag-bird's nest na rin tayo para magkaroon tayo ng magandang complexion at kung ano-ano pa. So, how to prepare bird's nest? So, the first thing we need to do is to soak the bird's nest overnight in cool water. So, ito muna yung ating gagawin. Dahil ito ay matigas siya guys, we need to soak the bird's nest overnight. So, let's do that. Okay, so eto na siya guys. Dahil mainit ang weather ngayon, so ilalagay ko siya dito, tatakpan ko siya, and ilalagay ko siya sa fridge. So guys, ito na yung bird's nest na ibinabad ko for 24 hours. Okay, so tignan nyo yung texture niya. Ayan siya, malambot na siya guys. Okay, so today, I will going to show you how to cook the bird's nest. So, today guys, magluluto ako ng bird's nest. Samahan nyo ako magluto ng bird's nest soup at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya lutuin. Kaya, tara na guys! Magluto tayo ng bird's nest soup. So, ito lang yung mga ingredients sa pagluluto ng bird's nest soup. Kasi ang gagawin ko ay sweet bird's nest soup. So, the bird's nest soaked overnight. I have jujube here or red dates. Rock sugar. Syempre, hindi ko naman ilalagay lahat. And I have here 6 cups of water. So, the bird's nest should be clean of all impurities. So, yung bird's nest ko guys ay hindi naman siya gaanong marumi, but if you happen to get bird's nest that contains impurities, it's best to clean the bird's nest one more time by boiling for 10 minutes, then drain and rinse with cold water. But since this bird's nest is clean, so all I needed to do was soak overnight, and then huhugasan ko lang siya konti, and then i-drain ko siya. After that, pwede ko na siyang i-boil. So, let's do that guys. So, here, ipapakulo ko muna yung 6 cups of water. Okay, so iset aside ko muna yung rock sugar and the jujube because I will going to clean this first. Okay, so using this strainer guys, i-rinse ko lang yung bird's nest. So, as you can see, malinis naman siya. Hindi naman siya marumi. Walang impurity. So, all I need to do is drain. When the water boils, saka ko siya ilalagay. So, ayan, kumukulo na yung aking tubig. So, low fire lang siya guys. I will add in the plain bird's nest. And then the jujubes. And I will cook for 2 hours or depends on the quality of the bird's nest. So, if you want to get a glutinous texture, dapat hindi siya ma-overcook guys. Remember, hindi dapat ma-overcook yung bird's nest. Otherwise, you will ruin a very expensive delicacy. Okay, so let's wait for 2 hours. Ipapakita ko sa inyo after na maluto kung ano yung magiging texture ng bird's nest. Stay tuned guys! So yung klase ng bird's nest na meron kami guys ay hindi pang matagalang iluto. So I only need 30 minutes to cook the bird's nest. Dahil ito na siya guys, yan, glutinous texture na siya. So now I will going to add some rock sugar. So maglalagay lang ako ng dalawa. So I will simmer for a few more minutes and then ready ko na siyang patayin. So, okay na siya guys. I will turn off the fire. So, if you taste the bird's nest, it should be soft, gelatinous, and slippery light. So, ganito ang magiging itsura niya guys. Ayan. Masarap na siya. In fairness. Masarap na and very nutritious. Siya guys. So, for best results, many recommend consuming bird's nest on an empty stomach. So, dito sa bahay, binibigay ko ito sa aking mga amo or even sa mga bata. Nilalagay ko siya doon sa milk nila. So, pwedeng hot or pwedeng cold. Ayan. So, a closer look of the bird's nest soup guys. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, how long can you store bird's nest soup in the fridge? So, para sa freshly prepared bird's nest, can be kept for 1 week at most. So, ang gagawin ko lang ay palalamigin ko siya and then ilalagay ko sa container and then every day kapag iinom sila ng milk, lalagyan ko siya ng bird's nest. So, additional knowledge lang guys about sa bird's nest. Kahit nasabi natin, marami siyang health benefits. Bird's nest, very high in protein, anti-aging, maganda para sa complexion. Pero meron din siyang side effect. So, if you happen to have an allergy o kaya suspected reactions in eating bird's nest, you should seek medical help. Otherwise, pag kumain kayo ng bird's nest, meron na kayong allergic reaction, baka it's either yung magsuswell yung lips or eyes or about sa face or whatever. So, the best pa rin is to seek medical help. Hindi lahat ng mahal ay healthy. Remember that. So, bird's nest, although mahal, pero kung hindi naman siya kaya ng katawan mo kasi nga meron kang allergic reaction, then hayaan mo na yung mahal. Baka lalo ka pang magkasakit, diba?